Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are well at your home. Today, we are going to start our revision because our syllabus for Unit 1 has been completed. So, before starting our revision, let me take a pledge. So, you guys take a pledge with me. I, Mansi, commit to be vigilant and bear in mind all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID 19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors, to always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID 19. So now, starting our revision with the first chapter, knowing our numbers. So our first chapter is knowing our numbers. In this chapter, firstly, starting from the natural numbers and whole numbers. First is the natural number system starts with 1. It goes on endlessly as there are infinite numbers. The smallest natural number is 1. So, what are the natural numbers? The numbers which start with 1 and are infinitely long, which have no end, that are called natural number, and 1 is the smallest natural number. Next is, with the invention of 0, the whole number system was formed. The number 0 together with the natural number gives the whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on. So, when we invent the 0, then when we add 0 to the natural number, they form a whole number. So, what are the whole numbers? The number which start with 0 and are infinite, those are called whole numbers. The whole number system start with 0 and the smallest whole number is 0. So, we have done with two numbers. First is natural number. Natural number is the number system in which the numbers start from 1 and are endlessly. And the second one is whole numbers. In whole numbers, the numbers start with 0 and are infinite, and 0 is the smallest whole number. So moving to our next topic, that is face value. So what is face value and place value? In a number, the face value of a digit is the digit itself. Means the in any number, if they have asked for the face value, the face value is number itself. For example, the face value of 4 in 34, 548 or 4139 is 4. Means in each and every number, the face value of 4 is 4 itself. In a number, the place value of a digit is a digit multiplied by 10, 100, 1000 and so on. Depending on their place, it occurs in numeral. So what is the place value? Place value is the multiple of 10, 100 or 1000. Means we have to check the place of a number where it exists. Then we have to write it in the form of multiple of 10, 100, 1000 according to the place. We will read about it in next place value chart. For example, the place value of 4 in 4 is 14, 40, 148, 4000 in. So what is this? The place value of 4 in 14. The place value of 4 in 14 is 4 because 4 is at 1's place. In 148, 4 is at a 10's place. So simply multiply 4 with 10 and that is 40. Next is 4139. The place value of 4 is 4000. We just have to simply write it in the form of multiple of 10, 100 or 1000. Moving to our next topic, place value chart. What is place value chart? A chart which allow us or which tells us to get the knowledge about the places of any digit. That chart is called place value chart. So firstly we are having Indian place value chart, and the secondly we are having international place value chart. In Indian place value chart, the number starts with ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, and then 10 crore. This sequence you have to learn. In this sequence, what we firstly have a one digit. The one digit shows the ones place. If we are having two digits, that is called tens, means it is multiple with 10, and it has two digits. Next is 100. In 100, what we are having three digits, means any number which is at this place, that would be multiple of 100. Next is 1000, and then 1000 is divided into two categories, 1000 and 10,000. In 1000 we are having four digits, means any number at this place will be multiple of 1000. Next is 10,000, and 10,000 we are having five digits. Similarly, any digit at this place will be multiple of 1000. Next is lakh. Again, lakh is divided to two conditions, 10 lakh and then lakh. Next is crore. Crore is divided to two, crore and 10 crore. In 10 lakh in lakh we are having 6 digit. In 10 lakh we are having 7 digit. In crore we are having 8 digit. In 10 crore we are having 9 digits. So there is an example. We just have to express this number into Indian place value chart. So first is, let us count it from the right hand side to the left hand side. First is, just look at from here, ones, tens, thousand, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and then crore. So firstly we have to write it in the form of commas. So where we add commas, firstly we are having this category. This category is one category, so firstly add the comma after 100. So firstly add comma here. Then what is the next category? That is the category of 1000. Then add for the 1000. Next is category of lakh. Then add a comma here, and that's it. Next is crore. So leave it here. So how to write it down? What is the digit on the highest place? That is crore. We start from the highest place to the lowest place. So what is the digit at highest place? It is 9. 9 is at the place of crore. So how to write it down? 9 crore. Next is 83. 83, next is 83 at the lakhs place. To how to write it now? 83 lakh. Next is 70. 70 is at which place? 1000. 9 lakh 9 crore 83 lakh 70,432. So this is the way to write in the Indian place value chart. So if we are asked to write in the expanded form, so how to write in the expanded form? Firstly, 9 is multiple of 1 crore. So multiply 9 with crore. Next is 8. 8 is multiple of 10 lakh. So multiply 8 with 10 lakh. Next is 3. 3 is on the place of lakh. So multiply 3 with 1 lakh. Next is 7. 7 is at 10,000 place. So multiply 7 with 10,000. Next is 0. 0 is multiplied by 1000. Just write it here 0, or you can skip it. But for the better learning, you can write it as it is. Next is 4. 4 is at 100 place. So multiply 4 with 100. Next is 3. 3 is at tens place. So multiply 3 with 10. Plus 2. 2 is at ones place. So simply multiply 2 with 1. This is the way to write a number in expanded form with Indian place value chart. Next is international place value chart. The international place value chart similarly starts with ones, tens, hundred, thousand, then thousand and divided into three categories, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Then moving to next, millions, 1 million, million, 10 million, 100 million. Then moving to billion, billion, and then 10 billion. So how to write this in the international system, just starting with ones, tens, hundred. In thousand, the thousand is divided into three categories, and million is divided into also three categories, and billion is also divided into two categories. So similarly we are taking the same number here. So now here how to add the commas. So similarly the hundred, tens and ones are similar in this and this. Next is thousand and divided into three categories. So next comma would be after three digits. And next is million. So next is comma after million. So 98 is at the place of 10 million. 370 is on the place of 100, 10,000 and 1,000. 432 is at the place of 100, tens and ones. So how to write it down? 98. 98 is as the place of 10 million. So write it down. 98 million. Next is 3 at the 100,000 place, 7 at the 10,000 and 0 at the 1,000 place. To how to write it down? 370,000. 3 is at the 100,000 place and then 70 is at the 10,000 place. So simply write 370,000. Next is 432. To simply write it down, 432. Similarly, how to write this number in the expanded form? 9 is at a 10 million place, so multiply 9 with 10 million. 8 is at million place, so multiply 8 with million. 3 is at 100,000 place, so multiply 3 with 100,000. 7 is at the 10,000 place, multiply 7 with 10,000. 4 is at the 1,000 place, so multiply 0 is here, it is 0 is at 1,000 place, you can write 0 or you can skip it. 4 is at the 100 place, 3 is at the 10th place and 2 is at the ones place. So multiply the number with the value at the place. So this is done for the exercise 1 introduction. We will do our revision of exercise 1.1 in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.